If you want to know how can you remove a playlist on YouTube, today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and I'll show you exactly how. First we need to open the YouTube app and then from here we need to go to your library. How can you do that? Tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to your library. And then from here you need to open your playlist right here. So tap on view all, on tap or on playlist. And then from here choose the playlist that you want to remove and then go ahead and tap on it. So I'm going to remove the first one. You might think that you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner because that's how you remove everything from normal social media apps, but it's not here. You need to tap on this icon right here to remove the playlist, and just like that, it says in the bottom, removed from a library, just like that. Or you can just go back to the home screen and tap on the search icon in the top and search for the playlist that you want to remove. If you find it here, just go ahead and tap on it to open it and tap on the same button to remove it or add it again. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.